This is how you add anchor link tags to a menu in a WordPress website. Let's log in to the dashboard. Go to Appearance, Menus, choose the menu you want to modify. I want to change the main menu. You can also choose those menus. Your website should have different menus. Hit select. And you should see all the links that currently exist on your menu. I'm going to add one. Oops. Let's erase that because that's the one I'm going to add. All right, let's go over here to custom links. We're going to give the URL. In my case, it's going to be different than yours. This is one that's running on my local machine. You might have one somewhere else at some other URL. So you'll want to put in your URL. / Octothorpe, or what people commonly call a hashtag these days due to Twitter. And I'm just going to say example. Then I'm going to call the link example test link. I'm going to say add to menu. Let's scroll to the bottom of our menu here. And there it is, example test link. It says custom link. We have the URL we want it to go to, and this is the ID of an HTML tag in our page, but we have not yet created it. We will in a moment. We just need to remember that. Octothorpe or hashtag example. And then there's the name of our link. Now let's save our menu. Let's go to Pages, All Pages. I want to modify the home page, so we're going to look for home, and you can always tell the home page because it says front page on it. Okay, here's the home page. I'm going to just kind of type in some gibberish, make a little space down the page. Now I need to edit this in HTML. Your page should have a little tab right here, but I'm using a different theme. I'm using a Gutenberg-based theme. So I'm going to go here and say edit as HTML. Yours might say text or something to that effect. I'm just going to add a new element. It can be a P, it can be an H1. I'm going to use a div. I'm going to give it an ID. And what was the one that we put after the Octothorpe or hashtag earlier in the menu? It was example, remember? So I'm going to type here example inside the HTML element. Oops. We get a little text. We should shoot down the screen to this point. Close the div. Let's hit save on the page. Now we can preview the page or view the page. I like to right click and say link, view it in a new tab. That's just my preference in case I want to go back quickly and edit it. Okay, so our example test link is there. Let's see if it works. It did. It shot us down to this point. We should shoot down the screen to this point. So now it jumps down pretty ugly. That's because it would require some JavaScript to make it go nice and smoothly, but it does do the job. And a lot of themes are built in with a little JavaScript to make the jump smooth. So that should do it. Thank you so much.